So the entire football world is still coming down on Liverpool coach Jurgen Klopp, who referred to the upcoming African Cup of Nations as a small tournament. Who tell the boss to say that? It's like another world war start. Yes. Klopp is a racist and he should apologize to the African continent and apologize to black people and blah, blah, blah. Of course, Klopp tried in vain to explain that he never meant it that way. But as an African Jamaican Liverpool fan, let me ask this question. In the wider scheme of things, is the African Cup of Nations a big tournament? When people talk about the major tournaments or the big world tournaments, is the African Cup of Nations in that category? Let's be honest. As far as the big tournaments go, there is obviously the World Cup finals. Then there is the European Championships, and to a lesser extent, the Copa America. The other tournaments, like the CONCACAF Gold Cup, the Asian Cup, and of course, the African Cup of Nations, in terms of the quantity and the quality of players and teams, comparatively, the World Cup and the Euros, and even the Copa are way ahead. So all things considered, Jurgen Klopp is correct. The African Cup of Nations is indeed a small tournament. And please, no matter make this about color or race. No matter with the race argument.